Welcome to the Advanced Certification in Java Programming, a professional certificate pathway designed for comprehensive mastery from fundamentals to enterprise application development. This program includes 3 progressive courses, moving from beginner to advanced levels. The outcome is a job-ready portfolio showcasing your skills. The program offers a structured progression with a logical flow from basics to complex architectural patterns. You will benefit from hands-on labs in cloud-based environments and create a portfolio of tangible projects. Course 1, Java Programming the Fundamentals, covers the Java environment, basic programming constructs, control structures, and robust exception handling. Core skills include JDK setup, syntax, and debugging. Course 2 focuses on object-oriented concepts and practice. You will learn OOP basics, advanced concepts like inheritance and polymorphism, the Java Collections framework, and File I/O for system operations. Real-world projects include a mood tracking app and an employee leave system. Course 3 features capstone projects for Java app development. You will build a recycling tracker and a pet care scheduling app. These projects demonstrate modular design, File I/O, data persistence, and exception handling for your portfolio. Upon completion, you will be IBM certified with technical proficiency in Java Core, Collections framework, and data persistence. Your portfolio will include 2 complete console applications, preparing you for roles like entry-level Java developer.